Did you know that cabbage is full of vitamin C? Tons of vitamin C, full of fiber. That this purple one, the pigment, is an antioxidant called anthocyanin, which many studies have proven that it helps with heart disease. It protects the heart. Um, Cabbage has a lot of potassium, so it helps regulate your blood pressure. It has vitamin K, vitamin B6, B9, which is folate. Folate is responsible for creation of cells and also for babies in their mommy's bellies not to have any neural tube, deficiencies. The polyphenols and the sulfuric compounds on cabbage are excellent for your health. They will improve your digestion and all in all, just protect you. They are also a great anti-inflammatory. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard. This is my homemade mustard, the one I posted a while back. You can use Dijon or just regular mustard. About 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon honey, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. Cabbage and mustard go very well together. We toss it and we serve, and we have an incredibly nutritious, super easy, super antioxidant, super anti-inflammatory salad. If you let it sit in the fridge for about an hour, it's gonna taste better, I'll tell you. Mmm, yummy. Oh, tangy and delicious. Thank you for watching the video. I'm gonna see you soon.